Well, it has been a long journey over the years, and it was due to the contribution made successfully by the successive governments and officials that we have reached at this stage today. I thank for all those who contributed for this effort, and I'm proud of them, and I'm proud that this happened under the able leadership of our education minister, a young and dynamic leader that we have. It's a rare privilege for him as well to be a minister at this occasion.
I feel very privileged to be here at this moment, and as our Honorable Chief Minister has said, it's a collected effort that is being done by the previous governments, and we are just here to pluck the fruit. They have plowed the field, they have done the groundwork, and we are here to take the glory. So we have to talk about the previous governments also, and all the officials that has done the work day in and day out to make this moment so momentous, and the first in India, the first among the states in India.